Afternoon, we're back here at the Urban League Conference, the national conference here at the Boston Convention Center. And joining me is Marie Day of Wells Fargo Bank, who has been working with the Urban League and other groups to educate citizens on mortgages and refinancing and buying a home. Thanks for joining us today.
Absolutely, Jeff. Thank you so much for allowing us this opportunity.
Well, tell us a little bit about what you're doing. There are a lot of people, and quite frankly, deservedly so, upset at the major banks in the country, which Wells Fargo is one of them, that have not done the right thing by a lot of people. But you're here working with the Urban League and trying to do the right thing.
Yes.
Tell us what your structure is and what you're trying to get out to the American people on this issue.
Absolutely. And what we want to say is we understand where a lot of customers are. The economy right now is down. It's really tough on a lot of our customers. They're having problems making their mortgage payment. And the way that we have structured our programs is to do proactive outreach to our customers. In so many instances, it's overwhelming when they find themselves in this situation and they have not reached out to us. So we're trying to put in place programs where we're reaching out to them. So any customer who is 60 days or more late on their mortgage payment, we are reaching out to them with either a letter or a phone call, or in some instances working with community groups such as the National Urban League and other housing counseling partners to try to reach them, to talk to them about what their options may be. There are several options that are available. The government has the HAMP program, which I'm sure you know about. In addition, we've created our own proprietary programs that help our customers stay in their home. So Wells Fargo is doing a lot of proactive activities. One thing I definitely want to mention for your customers is that we will be in Boston at the Boston Quincy Marriott on August the 24th for a home preservation workshop. We're encouraging anyone with a Wells Fargo home mortgage to please come out and meet with us in person. This will be a rather unique opportunity to meet with us face to face. We will go through your loan. Doesn't matter what phase of the process you're in, whether you're already working with us or whether you're in a new situation where you need to talk to us. So if you're late on your mortgage, or you know you have an imminent situation coming up, you used to get overtime and you no longer get overtime, and you know that's going to impact your ability to pay. You used to get a bonus, you don't get a bonus. You've had recent medical problems. Please come and talk to us, and let's figure out how to help you find the best option to keep your home.
Final question. If there are people who want to stay in their homes and it's 60 days, what options do they have to make it another 60 days? And how much does that differ from where we were in 2008?
Great question. There are a myriad of options available to our customers. And first of all, when you're 60 days or more late, it's very unlikely that the end investor is going to put you out of your home. They're going to reach out and they're going to try to work with you. In fact, we know that it's usually 18 months or more that a person has not paid their mortgage before we move forward with foreclosure. So we give our customers a significant amount of time. But some of the options that are available include modification of the loan, and a modification can be anything from changing a term or condition of the original contract, extending the time of the contract, lowering the interest rate, some examples of a modification and what it could look like. We also have refinancing opportunities. The government has a program that allows for principal reduction alternatives, so we can look at that with them. In those instances where customers will not be able to afford to keep the home, because that's really what we're evaluating against, affordability and long-term sustainability, there are options that still help them prevent foreclosure, that allows them to exit the home very gracefully. They include short selling the property, and this is where they're able to sell the property for much less than they owe on the property, and the amount that they sell it for is the amount that's owed. They are not pursued for any of the remaining debt. Deed in lieu, which really means they can turn the key in if they feel like they can't afford the property. So again, please come out, talk to us. Forbearance is an option, which means we will work with them while they're looking for a job, reemployment, and we'll give them that opportunity to do that during a certain period of time. So,
just one thing to add to that: first-time house home buyer, if they wanted to figure a way to do it this slowly, maybe they don't have $10,000 or $20,000, $30,000 in the bank as a down payment. Do you sense that there is an opportunity to get a scenario where they could say rent first and then with the option to buy? Are there more properties like that available that Wells Fargo will help them find, that they could potentially do this as sort of a stepping stone?
Well, Wells Fargo, we are one of the largest servicers in the country. We primarily service for others, and the primary loans we service are government loans, FHA, VA, Fannie, Freddie, and there are programs available through some of the people that we finance for, some of the investors that do allow some of those options. But it is a case-by-case determination, so they really, again, I'm encouraging our customers to please come and talk to us. We will explore any and every opportunity that's available for them, and that's one we can certainly explore depending on who the end investor is, who the owner of the loan is.
Right.
Yeah.
Marie Day, thank you so much.
Thank
Pleasure to have you on.
Thank you for this
I
opportunity.
really appreciate it.
And please come out and see us August 24th at the Boston Quincy Marriott. We will be there all day long. We are literally picking up our servicing shop. We can give you a decision on site that day if we have all the documents. 9 to 7, Boston Quincy Marriott. Please come and see us. Thank you so much.
Marie Day of Wells Fargo here at the National Urban League from the Boston Convention Center. I'm Jeff Santos.